your help. I place all the product links in the description. The Ninja Foodie Smart XL 6-in-1 Indoor Grill is a versatile kitchen appliance that allows you to air fry, roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate all in one convenient device. This powerful indoor grill comes with a range of features that make cooking easier and more efficient than ever before. One of the standout features is its smart thermometer. This thermometer allows you to monitor the internal temperature of your food as it cooks, so you can be sure that your meals are cooked to perfection every time. The smart thermometer even sends alerts to your smartphone when your food is ready, so you don't have to worry about overcooking or undercooking your meals. In addition to the smart thermometer, also features a range of cooking settings that make it easy to prepare a variety of dishes. The air fry setting allows you to create crispy, delicious fried foods without the need for oil, while the roast setting is perfect for cooking meats and vegetables to perfection. The baking setting is ideal for making desserts and baked goods, while the broil setting is great for broiling meats and vegetables to a crispy finish. Finally, the dehydrated setting is perfect for making healthy, homemade snacks like jerky and dried fruit. Also features a large cooking surface that can accommodate a wide range of foods. The grill grates are made of high-quality materials that distribute heat evenly, so your food is cooked to perfection every time. The grill also features a non-stick coating that makes cleaning up a breeze. Another great feature is its compact size. Unlike traditional outdoor grills, this indoor grill can be used year-round, even in inclement weather. It's also great for small apartments or homes with limited outdoor space, as it can be easily stored when not in use. Overall, the Ninja Foodie Smart XL 6-in-1 Indoor Grill is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance that is perfect for anyone who loves to cook. Whether you're a novice cook or an experienced chef, this indoor grill is sure to become an essential tool in your kitchen. Its smart thermometer, range of cooking settings, and large cooking surface make it easy to create delicious, healthy meals for your family and friends.